Identify trends with Moomoo drawing tools. Are you new to investing and looking for an easy way to identify entry and exit signals on candlestick charts? Look no further than Moomoo. Our platform provides a variety of drawing tools, including more than 30 line types, so even beginners can get started quickly. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to master drawing skills in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First, tap a stock and enter its detailed quotes page. Then tap the brush icon below the chart to show the toolbar. Here you can see some useful shortcuts. Choose Continuous Mode to draw lines without interruption. Tap Magnet to identify key price levels on the chart. Select Sync Mode to show existing lines when switching cycles. Tap Show to display or hide all line drawings. Here are 30+ types of lines available on Moomoo. The most commonly used ones are listed in lines, which help identify resistance and support levels. Shapes and patterns help discover and analyze candlestick formations. Line types available in the GAN/FIB section are favored by pro investors. Date and price range is a useful measuring tool. These tools can satisfy most of your charting needs. Press and hold to save tools you find most useful, and they will be displayed at the top of the panel. Press and hold a tool again to remove it from the favorites. After drawing lines, you can adjust the color, line width, and style in the pop-up hovering bar. Double-tap the chart to enter landscape mode or pinch the chart to see a longer time frame. Additionally, Moomoo syncs your drawings on various logged-in devices. For example, lines drawn on your mobile will be automatically saved and synced to your desktop. Join Moomoo Learn to gain more investing know-how.